All right, so I moved into a new house 5-6 months ago, something like that. And now that we got that, it's time to tackle the garage. And as you can see, my garage is a friggin' mess. So the plan is I'm gonna put a table back in this area here, right there at the plug line. I already kind of got started on the shelves or whatever. Put a table back there so I have something to work on, some shelves over there, place to put my welder, and then some sort of fold out table or something else over here to work on with either the radial saw or the welder or whatever else, so I have more space over here. Gonna need to pull the razor up into this space as well, so hopefully I have enough room to do all of it. We'll see. But yeah, so this should be fun and painful at the same time. I think we'll call this project Get Myself a Workshop and Space for the Razor project.com. Well, 2 days later and we're almost there. Got the razor in the garage, so you can almost walk down both sides. Got a little workshop area set up, so we can actually get some work done in here now, maybe. So anyway, stoked that this bad boy fits in the garage, and I still have a little bit of space. So that's it. This concludes the project Get the Frickin' Garage Organized after 6 months of living in your house setup deal thing.